Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about air conditioning repair in Coral Springs FL. At airports, we provide Coral Springs, Florida with trusted residential air conducting repair service. Our team is comprised of expert AC professionals who perform reliable AC repair as well as specialize in AC tune-up and AC installation service with speed and efficiency. We have been serving areas across Florida including Divide, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, Ocala and Coral Springs with AC repair service that keep their space cool and comfortable all year long. If you are seeking AC repair solution in the Coral Spring area, look no further than Air Pros. Since your Coral Spring property needs air repair, there are a variety of reasons your Coral Spring air conducting systems would need to be serviced. The first steps in determining if your unit needs service is to recognize the signs that indicate your AC needs repair right away. The most common signs that indicate you need AC repair include your AC is not cooling your space, your air conditioner is blowing hot air, your AC unit is leaking fluid, also known as refrigerant, your air conditioner is making strange noises, your AC has broken or frozen coils, the thermostat for your AC unit is broken, there is an unusual odor coming from your AC unit. No matter what type of AC problem are the expressing, our team at Air Pros is prepared to arrive at your Coral Springs, Florida property on time with the proper tools and equipment to solve the AC problem with a lasting solution.